Hello and welcome to devlog number 13. I've changed quite a bit since devlog number 12. First of all, I've added a special energy system. It's a new system. I have thrown out the heat mechanic in its place due to, well, sort of due to the UI space and having to fit everything in there, and also due to the fact that heat really doesn't make any sense really now. But anyway, special energy. Basically, there's a new bar. It's special energy instead of heat. Special energy is like a kind of collectible stuff. It's sort of like ammunition for the player's secondary fire, which will shoot a larger bullet. It's faster, it does more damage, it's more explosive, and it can also damage the core. That's right, I've done away with the whole hive disruption thing. The shield is now always up, but it can only be damaged, or it can only be penetrated using the special bullets. So that's a new system there. You'll probably be able to work it out from the video footage if I haven't explained it correctly. It's not super complicated, but yeah, I think it definitely helps. It's definitely seems to move the game on a bit more so than the previous system of having the hive being disrupted, and that's, you know, a bit of a pain. This one, the special energy actually drops from enemies that you kill, so you still have to actually fight the enemies in order to win the level. So it's just a slightly more less forced way of ensuring that the player actually plays the game instead of just running to the end of the level and winning. So that's quite good. I've also, related to this, I've added flowers to the terrain. I'm not sure if I'll keep this, but it does add some incentive to run around, because basically if you step on the flowers, they'll eventually play a little animation of that getting squished, and then they'll release some special energy particles which you can pick up to fuel your secondary fire. And that's pretty nice. I don't know if I'll keep it as flowers. I like the idea of sort of pickups that, well, things you can pick up around the level. It encourages the player to sort of run around a bit and look for it, since you know, getting special energy from the enemies can be kind of slow and unpredictable based on how many spawn, etc., etc. And on that note, the levels are now less linear. Somebody commented a few videos ago, maybe it was last video, I don't know, that the levels in Masochist are very linear, and they're absolutely right. They are, or they were, very, very linear. Just sort of hold the right arrow key, or the D key if you're using WASD, and then, yeah, just jump whenever you need to and you win the game. Now there's multiple paths, so you can still probably do what I just described actually, but still you can go up, you can go down. It's a whole experience. It's I don't know, I feel like it helps. I implemented this today, so I don't know if I'll grow to hate it, but I personally like it. Then there's some smaller things. The core now blends properly with the terrain. I put some grass around it. There's now damage frames. It explode. One of the scales explodes, and there's like fleshy stuff underneath. I also fixed the Kiz death sound, which is something which I thought I did last time, but apparently not, because it's been like forever since I made another devlog video. But I have fixed that, so now instead of pitching up and being really annoying, it pitches down and it's a lot shorter, so that's just all around much nicer. I did remake the upgrades menu a bit. I just sort of rearranged everything, so instead of the three upgrades being in columns, now that's sort of rows. I assume it's being shown in the footage. I still need to work on animations and the actual panels though, because right now that doesn't look very nice. I need to add some kind of fade in, maybe, something like that. Yeah, UI is a pain, but yeah, overall that's pretty much all that I've done since last time. I am nearing the finish line now. It's mostly just general polish that I have to do now, before I can at least release the demo version, which I'll hopefully be able to get up not too long from now. So yeah, just little bits here and there. In the meantime, stay tuned, and thanks for watching. I said those in the wrong order. It's meant to be thanks for watching and stay tuned for, and then some other stuff. Yeah, it's been a while since I've made a devlog video, I'm sorry.